In today's video, I'm going to review one of the best all-in-one emergency solutions I feel everyone should have on hand in their vehicle. The item I'm going to review is one of AutoOne's 4-in-1 jump starter, air compressor, LED light, and phone power bank car emergency kits. This 4-in-1 tool allows you to jumpstart a dead battery by yourself, inflate low tires fast, and see at night with a bright 400 lumen flashlight. It's designed to be a compact emergency solution that will get you back on the road quickly. I will have a link to this item in the video description, along with a 15% coupon code good for any purchase on AutoOne's website. AutoOne makes several other emergency solution products, plus other great products for your vehicle. When you receive the kit and remove it from the box, you'll see that it comes in a very nice sturdy storage case. Upon opening the case, you'll find the main unit on one side, and on the other side, there will be the unit's accessories. These accessories include jumper cables, air tube, 4 types of inflator nozzles, USB-C cable, and user manual. Looking at the front of the unit, you'll see that it has a large LCD screen with 5 rubber buttons. On the left side, there's a USB-C and USB-A port. Next to that is a jumper cables port. Both ports have a rubber cover. On the back are all the unit's specifications. On the right side, there's the air compressor port. Finally, at the top of the unit, there's an LED flashlight. It's amazing how many features this unit has considering how compact and lightweight it is. The whole unit only weighs in at just 2.2 pounds. This by no means makes it feel cheap. On the contrary, it feels sturdy and well built. Now let's take a look at the unit's features and how everything works. The unit features a 4,000 amp jump starter, capable of starting vehicles with up to a 10-liter gas engine or 8-liter diesel engine. Its tire inflator can inflate tires up to 150 psi in just minutes. The LED flashlight is bright with 400 lumens of brightness. Finally, the lithium polymer battery pack has 20,800 milliamp hours of power, with a standby time of 48 months. To see how much charge the unit has, press and hold down the power button for 2 seconds. The battery charge will be displayed as a bar. You'll want to charge the unit to full capacity before using it for the first time. To charge the unit, plug the USB-C to USB-A cable into the USB-C port on the unit and plug the unit into the wall. You'll need to plug the USB-A port into your own wall adapter since one is not provided with the kit. While the kit is charging, the bar graph will flash. Once the unit is fully charged, the screen will turn off and the unit will go into sleep mode. To use the flashlight, hold down the power button for 2 seconds to turn the unit on. Next, press the flashlight button, which is located underneath the power button. One press will turn on the normal flashlight, a second press will activate the SOS light, and a third press will activate a strobe light. Finally, a fourth press will turn the light off. To charge your phone or other device, plug your device into either the USB-C or USB-A port on the left side of the unit. Next, hold down the unit's power button for 2 seconds to begin charging your device. To use the air pump, screw in the air tube into the port on the right side of the unit. The unit features the ability to select what you want to inflate. You can select a car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, or freedom mode. Each selection will have a different icon and change the default air pressure, all except freedom mode. Freedom mode will not have an icon and will start at 36 psi, the same as for cars. Freedom mode will allow you to adjust the psi all the way up to 150 psi. The kit includes 4 nozzles for different types of inflatable products. For cars, motorcycles, and bikes, you won't need a specialized nozzle. Simply attach the air tube onto the tire valve stem and push down on the top lock. This will lock the air tube onto the tire's valve stem. Hold down the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Press the second button under the power button 1 time to select the car icon. You should see a car icon in 36 psi. Now you can adjust the amount of psi you need to put into your tire by using the up and down arrows. After you've made your selection, the LCD screen will show how much pressure is currently in the tire. Push the power button again to start airing up the tire. The system will air up the tire to the selected air pressure and then stop, so you don't overfill the tire. I really like how this is an automatic process. Once the pump stops, unlock the air hose and remove it from the valve stem. Finally, hold down the power button to turn off the unit. Just to verify how accurate the air pump was, I checked the air pressure with a tire pressure gauge, and it verified the tire was exactly at the pressure I set. The final and probably most important safety feature of this unit is the jump start feature. To jump start your car, plug in the jumper cables into the jumper cable port on the left side of the unit. Make sure the jumper cable plug is pushed all the way into the port. You'll notice a green light will be blinking. This blinking means the cables are ready to use. Connect the positive cable to your battery, then connect the negative cable to your battery. Once both cables are connected, the light will turn solid green and you'll hear a clicking sound. You'll have 30 seconds to start your car before the jump pack will time out. You don't need to turn the unit on. Finally, make sure that you have 50% or more power in the battery pack before jump starting your car. After living with this unit for a while, I can confidently say that it's a worthwhile product for anyone with a vehicle. The ability to jump your car without another vehicle is great. I've had to jump mine and my wife's car before, and it can be a pain hooking up both cars together with traditional jumper cables, especially depending on where you get stuck at. Airing up your tires at home easily is very convenient. Right now it's winter and tires losing air is common. Not having to go to the gas station or get out a large air compressor is handy. Get your 4-in-1 emergency kit today by clicking on the Amazon link or going to AutoOne's website and using my code for 15% off your order. This kit would make a great gift for anyone, especially young drivers. No one wants to worry about their kids or loved ones stranded on the side of the road. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.